Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Windows Server 2022 build 20344. Let's get right to the video. So I'm going to be installing this on a virtual machine. So first Now you have to be a member of the Windows Insider program to be able to download these early builds of Windows Server 2022, in which I just became one today, so I was able to download the ISO file. I like to do that, so I'm going to click Start. That was rather quick. It usually takes a while to get through that. Okay, so as you can see here, this does not look like the regular Windows installation. It looks like they changed that up a little bit. But these are how I like the settings, so I'll click Next and Install Now. Now we're going to put in our product key, which I have, and I'll put that in. So we're going to choose the standard desktop experience. And we'll click Next. We're just going to click I accept the license terms, click Next, and we'll do custom install. And of course, we'll just click Next. Alright, so that was really quick, so we're just going to restart now. Now we can put in our password, which we will make. I'll put in mine. And now we have to re-enter it. There we go. And there we go, it's been fully installed. So that's how to install Windows Server 2022 in 2021. So, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you out. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like our videos. Thanks, have a great day.